Do you have a brand new car with blind spot assist camera?
Did you know over 800,000 accidents in the US are caused because drivers weren't checking their blind spots? I'm going to show you how to bring your chip clock into the modern world. With our kit, you can make your own blind spot assist system.
All with the help of a Raspberry Pi. That's the part 2.
As you may have seen in our introductory video, our idea is to incorporate blind spot cameras into vehicles that might not have the smart tech. I'm Zuheir.
And I'm Reza.
Over 800,000 motor vehicle accidents are caused because the driver's not checking their blind spots. This is all US facts, by the way. And over 300 fatalities occur because of that. Our idea, once again, it's a pretty simple idea. It's just going to bring 3 cameras into your car, so that way it may reduce the blind spots in your car. This will help you in lane changing and turning, making turns, so that way you're not hitting any pedestrians, cyclists, or any other vehicles in that fact. Right? All this, it's going to be very universal. Any car, any make, any model, any year.
The components that we're going to be using for this project is a Raspberry Pi, an LCD touchscreen, and two or three cameras. They're waterproof cameras. And so how this will essentially work is that on the Raspberry Pi we will install Android. We will also be making an Android GUI program so that everything regarding the camera and assist system will go through it. The code for the program will be written with either Python or Java depending on our application. The camera used and the code will be able to detect the object when the left or right signal is applied in a car. And then what happens is that the touchscreen LCD will show a view of the driver's blind spot depending on on what signal they have on. It will also make beeping noises to inform the driver of oncoming car or person in the blind spot if they're not checking the LCD screen. And so the code behind the algorithm is that we will be using OpenCV Toolbox to detect an object with the cameras, which in this case, its purpose is to detect cars and people in the blind spot of the driver. This device will be connected to the car speakers as well, so that when the driver is not making a turn, they can use it to play music or use navigation. This might bring extra cost to our production. And we just have a visual of what it would look like.
So approximately 1.5 million vehicles were sold new in Canada. On the road right now, total registered vehicles are over 23 million. That's 23 million cars without these safety systems applied to them. Pretty much how we're going to market it is pretty simple. We're just going to use e-commerce and social media. Also the TikTok that you saw earlier. Okay. So the main tasks, Reza is going to be doing the programming and all the wiring and coding, that kind of thing. I'm just going to be 3D printing the housing, which will protect the cameras for any, they are waterproof, but it's going to protect it from any other sort of weather. And
thank you.